Hey, I'm Brooke, and this is the D5 2-quart brushed all-purpose pan, and it's from All-Clad. This is a fantastic set because you get these great oven mitts and a serving spoon for the stovetop to table convenience of a one-pan meal, which is great. And check out this amazing pan. It comes with the dome lid, so it's going to help circulate all that moisture inside and trap it in for a delectable morsel with every single bite. It is created with the D5 stainless patented design, which gives you a 5-ply construction throughout the entire pan. You've got a starburst effect here on the base, and that's going to help give more stick resistance for the pan. And it has large, comfortable stainless steel handles that are permanently secured with stainless steel rivets. They're also going to stay nice and cool when they're on the stove top, but they will be quite hot when you put them in the oven. This pan is perfect for sauteing onions, stir-frying vegetables, searing fish, and even browning meats. This set comes with the dome lid, these awesome oven mitts, and check it out, a great serving spoon. So pick it up. It's from All-Clad and it's pretty amazing.